and welcome to my YouTube channel, Pylenza. Today I'm going to show you something really simple, which is Pylenza module, which is a beginner-friendly Python package for learning DSA and logical reasoning. So it provides clean and well-documented teaching helpers and small self-contained algorithms suitable for learners. So it also highlights a lot of things like it is lightweight, readable implementations for common data structures like arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, etc. And it also has algorithm templates for search and sort, plus algorithmic patterns and puzzles like N Queens, Tower of Hanoi, Kidani, and etc. By the way, Kidani is my favorite algorithm. Which one is yours? Comment down below. So, and it also helps with recursion for string manipulation, numeric operations, and small utilities for learning. And if you want to install it for local development, you can do it with Python-m pip install -e and full stop. If you want to download it, just put pip install Pylenza, and that's basically it. And if you want an example uses, then you can simply do it from Pylenza import PyArray, which is a class in our array.py file, And I'll also share the GitHub page. So the modules are as follows: your arrays, linked list, queue, stack, search, sort, string, recursion, logic, and a lot of stuff. So and also examples like so every example are available in the examples folder in the libraries files. So you can check on the GitHub. So let me just show you real quick. I'll drop the link in the comments below so you can check it out. As you can see over here. So now let's talk about why I made it and for who it is. So if you're learning data structures and algorithms or preparing for coding interviews, then this is a really good tool for you and you should try it. Like, I recommend you to try this because it is really useful for those who are trying to give coding interviews and want a job. Because most jobs require data structure and algorithm or problem solving or logical reasoning. So this teaches you a lot of those. And it is also good for beginner learners. Like, you can learn basic data structures even if you don't want to give coding interviews. Now let's talk about why I made it. So I made it because when I was learning DSA, I also had a lot of trouble, and I also wanted to prepare for coding interviews or learning to learn DSA more properly. But at that time I didn't have the good tools. So yeah, just had to learn it without this. But now you guys have the opportunity to try this out and make your DSA journey or Python journey or programming journey way a lot easier and faster. So go ahead, try this out, and everything is here